Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just doing an update on Ideanomics. I was going to turn this out last night and got busy doing some other ones. And so back to Ideanomics. Ticker IDEX. If you don't know much about this one, I've covered this one on the channel a couple times. I'll link those links in the description as well. And currently I still have 26 shares at $309. Almost bought some more last week, but didn't. Just a quick overview of what this one is. It's a global company focused on facilitating the adoption of commercial electric vehicles and developing next generation financial services and fintech product. And you can pause and read the rest there for yourself. If you follow my channel, I'm totally into electric vehicles and getting into fintech more and more. This has been around since 2004, $1.17 billion market cap, so still kind of small, but I'm in this one for the long run. My last buy was, I guess, back in November, and these got canceled at $2.90. And just a couple articles here, and as you can see, this is dated actually yesterday. Ideanomics acquires 20% stake in Italian-listed electric motorcycle maker Energica. Energica, I don't know. I'm just going to say Energy. Recently entered into an investment agreement promising to purchase over 6 million Energy ordinary shares using a subscribed shares arrangement that priced each subscribed share at Euro 1.78. In total, IDEX would invest approximately 13 million shares in the Italy-based manufacturer of all-electric high-performance motorcycles. According to IDEX CEO Alf Poor, the investment was driven by Energy manufacturer of high-performance products that produce zero emissions. And these days, that's what it's all about with the blue wave in the House, the Democrats, the new administration. Everything's going towards zero emissions. In 2020, Energy experienced a 187% increase in revenue compared to 2019, and there is a high demand for Energy's motorcycles in the United States. So another big catalyst here for IDEX, and like I said, I'm in this one for the long run, at least a minimum of 2, if not 5 years, possibly 10. So again, IDEX is a global leader company focused on investing and in promoting innovative solutions in the financial and electric vehicle EV spaces. Recently entered into an investment agreement with Energy Motors. And I'll let you pause and read the rest there for yourself. On to the next article. New EV focus creates growth potential for Ideanomics stock. And this is a little bit older, but it's last Friday. Like I said, I was going to put this together last night and didn't get it done. IDEX is a company with a dual focus. Mobile Energy Global MEG is the company's commercial electric vehicle division. Ideanomics Capital is a fintech. The dual approach has both supporters and detractors, but both probably agree it's an improvement. The company has been famously hard to pin down in the past. IDEX stock has been on a volatile side in the past 12 months, a familiar pattern for investors, but even after the latest correction, it's up more than 594% since this time last year. So if you got into it a year ago, you'd made a fortune. The company's most recent known as 7 Stars Group Cloud has seemingly gone through as many business ideas as it has names. However, now down to two areas of focus. The company's EV bet has come at the perfect time, with MEG expanding through acquisitions and generating the lion's share of the Ideanomics revenue. There is a sense of stability. Big moves by MEG paying off. MEG has expanded into many facets of the commercial EV market, and the past year has seen a flurry of announcements by Ideanomics related to its MEG electric vehicle division. One of the biggest was its new Medici Motor Works. Battery-powered electric vehicles will be aimed at commercial fleets and short-haul and closed-circuit operations, think mines, airports, and seaports. Hydrogen fuel cell versions will be suited for long-haul operators. In September, it was the announcement of an increased stake in Solectrac. The California-based company makes battery-powered electric tractors for agriculture and industrial applications. This is kind of the part of the business that really attracted me, and that's why I got into it, was the battery-powered tractors. Like I said, I've covered this one a couple times. I'll link those in the description for you. And it kind of goes over some more information in regards to the tractors. On January 5th, Ideanomics announced it was buying wireless advanced vehicle electrification Wave. The latest acquisition gives the MEG division technology for wirelessly charging commercial vehicles through inductive plates buried in a roadway. This has applications for systems like mass transit, where EVs need range and can't be easily taken out of service for recharging. So they're into a couple different things, which is a good thing, and that will help the company grow here. As you can see, it's up 16% today, and unfortunately I didn't buy any more last week. I was kind of out of cash in regards to some of the penny stocks I've gotten into and some of the other buys that I was doing, but didn't buy any more on this one. Bottom line, as I mentioned earlier, there is a distinct split in opinion over Ideanomics, and especially over its dual business focus. So this Josh Enomoto is not a fan, warning the investors to stay clear of IDEX stock while the company figures out what it's good at. That's a valid take on the situation, not helping the fact that Robinhood investors were a factor in the IDEX stock growth picture. That can be a warning sign. That can kind of be a warning sign in regards to any stock, but if you're in this for the long term, like I am, I don't see that matters. That creates dips, and sometimes you can buy them, and sometimes it works out, and sometimes not. And this is some more information from yesterday, why Ideanomics stock fell 17% last month. Shares fell 17.6%, according to data provided S&P Global Market Intelligence. The company's stock is prone to some large swings, and the latest drop might have been spurred by Ideanomics' decision to no longer report monthly delivery numbers for its mobile energy global segment. Ideanomics management said in a press release on February 15 that over the past few quarters, the company has diversified its revenue streams between its MEG segment and Ideanomics Capital. As a result, it's shifting from announcing MEG vehicle delivery numbers from monthly to quarterly. The tech stock has been trending downward already, but it took a sharp drop following the announcement. Ideanomics MEG segment focuses on electric vehicle purchasing and financing, and the segment has gained a lot of attention from investors over the past year as the EV market has accelerated. And so, like I said, I'm in it for the long run. All the EVs have to go up eventually, and I'm in it for the long run, a minimum of at least 2 years, so we'll see and reevaluate the situation at that time. And we'll see if there's any good juicy comments here on Reddit. So again, back to Robinhood. I know there's a lot of people that tried trading this one. The people on Robinhood probably aren't in it so much for the long term. I have some of this in Robinhood and then some in a retirement account, and it just kind of sits there and does its thing. And sometimes I'll trade it in Robinhood and sometimes not, so it just depends. But what I see here on StockTwits, everybody's bullish. Green is power hour. We're waiting long enough for a day like this to be. I wouldn't be over optimistic. But anyway, that's all that I have for IDEX right now. As you can see, it's having a pretty good day. Went down. That would have been a good buying opportunity. Yep, you could have got it right there for $3. And but anyway, I'm just kind of sitting on this one, and I'm still in the green. So if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. I'm just here for your edutainment. That's education and entertainment. If you have any IDEX shares, go ahead and put that in the comments, as well as your cost bases. That would be interesting to know. And if you bought in the dip on it here last Friday, unfortunately I missed it. That would have been a great opportunity. I missed couple stocks videos that I've done. I looked back on the 5th, and right here on this dip is you could almost doubled your money on some of them already, but can't win them all. So that is it for Ideanomics. Again, this is J Money following Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.